बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए एक गिफ्ट। एजुकेशन के रिटन एग्जाम्स और इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के हवाले से आज से मैं एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बुक का मटेरियल आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ। मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो तमाम बुक्स जिनका मटेरियल मैं अपने चैनल पर आपके लिए शेयर करूँगी, अगर आप उन तमाम वीडियोज़ को गौर से देखेंगे तो मैं पूरे वसूख से ये बात कह सकती हूँ कि आपके रिटन एग्जाम और इंटरव्यू में चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे कामयाब होने के। आज हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं वन लाइनर कैप्सूल एजुकेशन बाय राय मनसब अली। इस बुक के टोटल 230 पेजेस हैं। मैं इसे छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में वीडियोस के जरिए इन्हें शेयर करूंगी ताकि आप लोग बोरियत का शिकार ना हो जाएं। लेकिन इंशाल्लाह इस पूरी बुक का मुकम्मल मटेरियल आपके सामने पेश किया जाएगा ताकि आप एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड हर किस्म के इम्तिहान की तैयारी बेहतर तौर पर कर सकें। एक और अहम बात ये कि अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट इस वीडियो का पीडीएफ मटेरियल फॉर्म जो इस वीडियो का मटेरियल जो है पीडीएफ फॉर्म में हासिल करना चाहता है तो वो इस वीडियो को लाइक करे और कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना ईमेल एड्रेस लिख दे। ये जो फाइल है वो बजरिया ईमेल आप तक पहुंचा दी जाएगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और अपने फ़ायदे के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस बुक से रिलेटेड मटेरियल का कोई पोर्शन मिस ना हो जाए और हमारी वीडियो अपलोड होने के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आप देख रहे हैं हमारा चैनल क्वालिफाई एजुकेशन एकेडमी। स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। Wood Dispatch is known as Magna Carta of Indian education. Wood Dispatch was an act of 1854 implemented by the British rulers during pre-independent India. तो सबसे पहले हमारी जो फर्स्ट लाइन देखें, फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट है, द डिस्पैच वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय सर चार्ल्स वुड टू द डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. Wood was Secretary of State of India at that time. Magna Carta is a Latin term which stands for Great Charter, meaning a great paper. Also known as Magna Carta Libertatum, meaning Great Charter of Freedoms. It is an English legal charter originally issued at Runnymede, June 15, 1215. Magna Carta was initiated by the subject of King John of England. X and Y theories of theory X and theory Y are theories of human motivation and management. Theory X and theory Y were created and developed by Douglas MacGregor in the 1960s. MacGregor terms the two models are as theory X, which stresses the importance of strict supervision and external rewards and penalties, and theory Y, which highlights the motivating role of job satisfaction and allows scope for worker to approach tasks creatively. ये आपने थ्योरी एक्स और थ्योरी वाई दोनों पढ़ी हुई हैं। थ्योरी एक्स के मुताबिक ये जो सुपरविजन है वो स्ट्रिक्ट होनी चाहिए क्योंकि वर्कर्स हैं वो ज़्यादा इसके मुताबिक जो वर्कर है वो काम सही नहीं करते तो इसके लिए स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरविजन ज़रूरी है। जबकि थ्योरी वाई जो है ये एक पॉजिटिव साइड दिखाती है ह्यूमन की, और इनके मुताबिक जो ह्यूमन है वो क्रिएटिव है और ये अपने वर्क को लेके जो है ये मतलब अच्छा काम करता है ये अपनी ड्यूटी को लेके। तो इसलिए इनके मुताबिक जो थ्योरी वाई के मुताबिक स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरविजन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। नेक्स्ट है जी थ्योरी एक्स कंसीडर्स दैट ऑन द होल वर्कर्स डिसलाइक देयर वर्क एंड हैव लिटिल इनहेरेंट motivation to perform well. Theory Y is based on the belief that given appropriate working conditions, most people perform well. ये वही बात कि अगर X के मुताबिक जो वर्कर्स हैं वो डिसलाइक करते हैं वर्क को और उनके अंदर जो मोटिवेशन है वो ज़्यादा नहीं होती गुड परफॉर्मेंस देने की, जबकि जो थ्योरी वाई के लोग हैं उन थ्योरी वाई के मुताबिक जो लोग हैं वो क्रिएटिव होते हैं और ये बेहतर परफॉर्म करते हैं अगर उनको बेटर कंडीशंस दी जाए और बेटर एनवायरनमेंट दिया जाए। नेक्स्ट है जी पोस्ट कॉग इज एन एक्रोनिम widely used in the field of management and public administration that reflects the classic view of administrative management. पोस्ट कॉग के बारे में आपने पढ़ा हुआ है पहले भी, ये बल्कि नीचे इन्होंने दे भी दिया है। द एक्रोनिम पोस्ट कॉग स्टैंड्स फॉर प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, रिपोर्टिंग एंड बजटिंग। एक होता है एक्रोनिम और एक आपके पास होते हैं एब्रीवेशंस। एक्रोनिम जो होता है वो एक ऐसा यानी एक एज अ होल वर्ड साउंड करता है। तमाम जो इसके एलिमेंट्स हैं उनके फर्स्ट लेटर्स को अल्फ़ाबेट्स को मिला के जो वर्ड बनता है उसको एज अ होल प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है पोस्ट कॉप। जबकि जो एब्रीविएशन है, एब्रीविएशन जो है वो वैसे ही किसी वर्ड की शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है। नेक्स्ट है जी, पोस्ट कॉप वॉज फॉर्मुलेटेड बाय ल्यूथर गुलिक एंड Linder Ulrich in their 1937 paper on administrative management theory। यानी इनका एक पेपर था 1937 में जो शाया हुआ था ये ग्यूलिक एंड उर्विक का। तो उसमें इन्होंने पोस्ट कॉप की जो टर्म है उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था। अंजुमन हिमायती इस्लाम एसोसिएशन फॉर द सर्विस ऑफ इस्लाम वाज फाउंडेड इन लाहौर on 24 September 1884 in a mosque known as Masjid Bakkan inside Mochi Gate, Lahore by Khalifa Hamiduddin। Curriculum improvement should be a continuous process। Curriculum a Latin origin word means runway, यानी curriculum जो है एक Latin का word है और इसका मतलब है runway। Discipline problems are most likely to occur during transitions। Broadfield curriculum is a modification of subject-centered curriculum। Rote learning is a demerit of subject-centered curriculum। Teacher training is less emphasized in subject-centered curriculum। Which curriculum is based on thinking of John Dewey? Activity-centered curriculum। जॉन डेवी ने pragmatism की जो philosophy पेश की थी और उसके मुताबिक जो बच्चे हैं वो जो उनकी learning होती है यानी लर्निंग टू डू बाय डूइंग वाला इसने कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था और उसके मुताबिक एक्टिविटी सेंटर्ड जो है वो करिकुलम होना चाहिए जॉन डेवी के मुताबिक। What is evaluation used to find out deficiencies and difficulties in curriculum? What is evaluation used to find out deficiencies and difficulties in curriculum? ये है जी वर्टिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यहाँ लिखी, लेकिन डायग्नोस्टिक एवेल्युएशन होती है। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डायग्नोस्टिक एवेल्युएशन, जो कि किसी भी करिकुलम के अंदर डिफिकल्टीज को और डेफिशिएंसीज को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यूज की जाती है। Hilda Taba is an expert in the field of curriculum development। 5 stages of awareness, interest, evaluation, trial and adoption are for curriculum change। Trivium subjects include ग्रामर, लॉजिक, रेटोरिक। रेटोरिक जो है ये आर्ट है स्पीक करने का और राइट करने का। A Muslim philosopher Abu Hamid bin Muhammad is commonly known as Al-Ghazali। Method is based on the facts that students learn association, activity and cooperation is known as project। What is the time of presentation in micro teaching? 5 to 10 minutes। The type of verbal communication, explaining and questioning। Non-formal education refers to the education which happens outside of the context of a formal structured educational institution। Formal educational formal structure जो होता है वो हमारा आम स्कूल कॉलेजेस इंस्टीट्यूशंस का जो एजुकेशन का स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो फॉर्मल में कंसीडर किया जाता है, जबकि नॉन फॉर्मल में हमारा जो है वो ऐसा एजुकेशन सिस्टम आता है जिसके लिए किसी खास जो इंस्टीट्यूट के स्ट्रक्चर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती कि जिसमें प्रॉपर जो है वो बच्चे को एक इंस्टीट्यूट को ज्वाइन नहीं करना पड़ता रेगुलर बेसिस पे। जैसे डिस्टेंस लर्निंग प्रोग्राम वगैरह जो है वो नॉन फॉर्मल एजुकेशन सिस्टम में आते हैं। Non-formal education means the educational programs in which individuals are educated through distance learning methods and means of communication। A framework or plan of action for preparing a curriculum is curriculum design। Knowledge is compartmentalized in subject-centered curriculum। Curriculum is composed of all experiences children have under the guidance of teacher is an old concept। The highest in rank in Ministry of Education is Secretary। The analysis, synthesis and evaluation is measured through essay। यानी ये जो तीनों चीज़ें हैं, एनालिसिस का सिंथेसिस, एनालिसिस होता है किसी चीज़ को पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देना, जबकि सिंथेसिस है कि छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स को कंबाइन करके कंपोज करके एक नई चीज़ बनाना। इवेल्युएशन आप जानते हैं, जायज़ा। तो ये तीनों चीज़ें जो हैं ये ऐसे के थ्रू मेजर की जा सकती हैं। In essay type questions, the word what, who, which, and where are used to measure lower mental process. The homogeneous material is used in single exercise of matching test. The correct or best answer out of all options is sought in multiple choice items. At authoritarian level of teaching, an authoritarian level of teaching is teacher centered. यानी जो अथॉरिटेरियन लेवल होता है इसके अंदर जो टीचर अथॉरिटी फिगर होता है और बच्चा जो है उसको ज़्यादा अथॉरिटी नहीं दी जाती, इसलिए ये टीचर सेंटर्ड होता है। 7 लिबरल आर्ट्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड क्लासिकल करिकुलम, और इसके अंदर क्वाड्रिवियम और ट्रिवियम जो है वो आते हैं 7 लिबरल आर्ट्स के अंदर। किताबुल इज रिटन बाय इमाम शाफी। Prior planning is characteristic of subject-centered curriculum. Methods of communication are verbal and non-verbal. The central tendency can be measured through mean, यहाँ mean है लेकिन mean, mod और median तीनों के through central tendency को measure किया जा सकता है। Short answer items can measure efficiently students' ability to recall specific information. Al-Ghazali is highly influenced by the thoughts of the Greek philosopher Plato. There is no interaction between people without communication. Teaching and learning could not occur without communication. The element of communication, idea and concept. When management make rational choices under certain conditions of risk and cost benefit analysis, the process is problem solving. Which one of the following is the main source of innovation, human mind? Which of the following is the heart of management process? Communication. मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस का जो हार्ट है वो कम्युनिकेशन होता है। मुकदमा वाज इम्पोर्टेंट फिलोसफिकल वर्क ऑफ इब्न खलदून, और इसे शाया किया गया था 1377 में। The first man who introduced scientific system for recording the event of history was Shah Waliullah. Integration and application of high-level skills are stressed in extended response item. The keyword examine is used for analysis. In essay type questions, the word contrast is used to measure higher mental process. Essay type items are classified as extended response and restricted response items. Mentoring is primarily associated with the management functions of leading. The doctrine of discipline and the theory of reward and punishment is attributed to Muslim thinker Ibn Khaldun. In Kimya-e Saadat, Ghazali threw light on perception, personality, and cognition. The process of aims is long-term. In the class, objectives can be achievable. Modes of education refer to those patterns of learning which bring about changes in human behavior. Formal education refers to the educational programs which are conducted in the schools, colleges, and universities of the state according to the planned and organized procedures. The curriculum presented by experts and learned people is called recommended curriculum. Which of the following are achievable in the classroom? Objectives. The SWOT approach assesses an organization's strength, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Informal education refers to a process of change in behavior which happens outside of the context of formal and non-formal educational programs. Informal education concerned with the society rather than formal or non-formal educational settings. Matching type consists of two columns. सोलो टेक्सोनॉमी वॉज डेवलप्ड बाय बिग्स एंड कॉलिस, और सोलो टेक्सोनॉमी को 1982 में बिग्स एंड कॉलिस ने डेवलप किया था। SLO stand for Students Learning Outcomes. What do we want to achieve at the end of the instruction? Objectives. Formal education is the process of training and developing the abilities of the individual in a certified program. According to Al-Ghazali, knowledge exists potentially in human soul like the seed in the soul. By learning, the potential becomes actual. According to Al-Ghazali, the acquisition of knowledge is a fundamental right of all the individuals. Which one of the following is the broadest in nature? Aim broadest in nature होते हैं. Who said education is the activity of recognizing God and understanding self? अलामा मोहम्मद इकबाल, क्योंकि इन्होंने खुद ही का तस्वुर पेश किया था, तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग सेल्फ के वर्ड से ही अंदाजा किया जा सकता है कि अलामा इकबाल इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा. Who said education is the activity of developing the sense of good and evil so that an individual can choose the good and reject the evil? Shah Waliullah. The group of inferential statistics is t-test, ANOVA. ANOVA analysis of variance है, और उसके बाद chi-square. Temperature is the example of interval measurement. Synthesis is related to what domain? Synthesis जो है ये cognitive domain से belong करती है. ये इसके बारे में आप लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. Knowledge है, comprehension है, application है, analysis है, synthesis है, evaluation है. तो ये सारी आप लोग already पढ़ चुके हैं. Theory of self-actualization and sense of identity was presented by Maslow. Permanent change in behavior as a result of experience is called learning. Explanatory methods are used in subject-centered curriculum. Subject-centered curriculum में explanation का जो method है, explanatory method use किए जाते हैं. The completion item requires the student to answer a question or to finish an incomplete statement by filling in a blank with the correct word or phrase. Micro-teaching started in 1960. Sociological foundations are concerned with society. How many stages are there in Hilda Tava's curriculum model? ये एक्चुअली इसका करेक्ट आंसर 7 है. इधर 5 लिखा गया था लेकिन 7 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. Educational evaluation is a process by which a teacher and student can assess their performances. Measurement is a quantitative and standardized, which is conducted by which a teacher assesses the level of understanding, interest, and attainment and attention of the children. Assessment. Formal education refers to the education which is conducted in the formal educational institutions for the achievement of predetermined goals. The student's ability to respond complex situation is assessed through extended response item. What is the evaluation used to improve the contents during curriculum development? Formative evaluation. Evaluation used to improve the content after curriculum development. Summative evaluation. Summative evaluation हमेशा end पे होती है. तो after curriculum development summative evaluation होगी. The use of scientific method to define the one best way for a job to be done is known as scientific management. The purpose of educational administration is to enable an organization or institute to carry out its function with maximum efficiency. Items that require a student to structure a long written response up to several paragraphs are called essay. Subject-centered design revolve around content. The Solo taxonomy is used to prepare the test. Teacher-made test cover a narrow content area. Assessment tools that teachers use to monitor students' progress are called formative assessment tools. Assessment tools that teachers use to know the actual status of students' cumulative record are called summative assessment tools. Tests developed by a team of experts are termed as standardized tests. Solo taxonomy has phases 5 क्योंकि कुछ जगहों पे ये लोग प्री स्टेज को भी इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं बाकी 4 स्टेजेस के साथ। तो अगर प्री स्टेज को इंक्लूड किया जाए तो 5 होंगी, अदरवाइज 4 होंगी। Which of the following type of measurement scale involves the use of numbers to represent equal distance from a known zero point? तो ये है जी फ्रॉम अ नोन जीरो पॉइंट, ये रेशियो स्केल आएगा क्योंकि जीरो पॉइंट जो है ये रेशियो स्केल के अंदर मौजूद होता है, इंटरवल स्केल के अंदर जीरो पॉइंट नहीं होता। An ordinal scale is a rank order scale of measurement. Which of the following is the correct order of Stevens 4 level of measurement? Nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. इस तरतीब को याद रखने के लिए आप एक वर्ड नॉयर जो है वो याद रख सकते हैं। एन से नॉमिनल, ओ से ऑर्डिनल, आई से इंटरनल, इंटरवल एक्चुअली इंटरवल एंड आर से रेशो। Desirable modes of behavior of a society are called values. The universe of natural objects is believed as ultimate reality by naturalists. While writing research report, one should be objective. Philosophy is a general theory of education. Etymology definition of a word shows its derivation from Greek and Latin. The control of conditions is basic to the experimental procedure. To utilize the best optimal resources is called management. The objective of any school subject must the basis for content and class activities. The goal of education should be acquiring knowledge, skills, and habits. Superego concerns with personality. ये सिगमंड फ्राइड की जो थ्योरी थी वहाँ से लिया गया है सुपर ईगो, तो उसके मुताबिक ये पर्सनैलिटी से इसका ताल्लुक है। अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव definition of the term is the explanation. Realism was a reaction to the narrowness of idealism. Realism जो कि अरिस्टोटल ने दी थी, जो प्लाटो के स्टूडेंट थे, और आइडियलिज्म प्लाटो ने दी थी, ये जो फिलॉसफी है पेश की थी। तो दोनों जो है, जो अरिस्टोटल हैं उन्होंने अपने टीचर के अगेंस्ट जाके उनके अपोजिट एक फिलॉसफी अपनी पेश की थी। Which of the following considered administration as a way plan to organize, command, coordinate and control education? Fuel. Research report should be in the past tense. If a test is consistent in its measurements, whenever it is administered, the test is called a reliable test. When a test's reliability is determined by administering its choice to the same group is called test-retest reliability. Main responsibility of school management lies on principal. The first 5-year plan was introduced in 1955 to 1960 है ये जी correct answer इसका। The art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized groups is called management. The application of philosophy in education may be selection of objectives. Sampling of content subject matter is evaluated in content validity. Teacher believe that students learn best through activities. फैसिलिटेटर यानी वो टीचर जो इस बात पे बिलीव करता है कि बच्चे जो हैं वो एक्टिविटीज़ के थ्रू ज़्यादा सीखते हैं, उसे फैसिलिटेटर कहा जाता है। डेवलप्स क्रिएटिविटी, रिसर्च स्किल्स and sense of responsibility in students. Delegator. The teacher invites the learner to share case. Collaborator. In a classroom is a room in educational organization in which teaching or learning activities can take place. Classroom. Yani classroom is a room in educational organization in which teaching or learning activities can take place. Teacher places firm limits and control on the student. Authoritarian. The style is characterized by a lack of involvement. The environment is not disciplinary. There are few demand on students and there is a lot of freedom. परमिसिव यानी जो अथॉरिटेरियन स्टाइल होता है उसमें बच्चे को इतना फ्रीडम नहीं दिया जाता, जबकि परमिसिव स्टाइल में बच्चे को फ्रीडम दिया जाता है और क्लास में डिसिप्लिन नहीं होता. द स्टाइल प्रेजेंट एन एनवायरनमेंट where no demands of students of any sort. Indulgent. Prerequisite skills needed by students to succeed in a unit of course are evaluated by placement assessment. The right to make decisions, to direct the work of others, and to give order is authority. Which category of power that depends on fear? Coercive power. The process of finding the right person for the job is staffing. A process of setting mutually agreed goals and using those goals to evaluate employee performance is management by objectives, MBO. Who said experiences leads to the scientific approach? John Dewey. Foundations of Behavioral Research is written by Fred and Kerlinger. According to Plato, the business of education is to discover aptitudes and progressively to train them for social use. Al-Ghazali, commonly known in Europe as Al-Ghazal, is one of the most illustrious scholars who became renowned for his vast learning. He taught at Madrasa Nizamiya in Baghdad. The epistemological concept of Al-Ghazali is found in his famous book Ahyaul Ulum al-Din, which means in English, the regeneration of sciences. According to Al-Ghazali, acquisition of knowledge is a fundamental right of all the individuals. According to Al-Ghazali, that there are four elements of human nature: the stag, intellect; the pig, lust; the dog, anger; and the devil, brutality. यानी ये इन चारों के साथ जो खसूसियात हैं वो बताई गई हैं: dog, anger, pig, lust, stag, intellect, and devil, brutality. According to Al-Ghazali, that man is superior of all creatures by virtue of knowledge. Al-Ghazali is highly influenced by the thoughts of the Greek philosopher Plato. Thinker, philosopher, political leader, educationist, and lawyer was Allama Iqbal. What is the most important element of non-formal education? Media. Nature of scientific knowledge rests on empiricism, experimentation, and repetition. According to naturalism, the aim of education is self-expression. The primary responsibility for determining the aim of education should be society. According to Al-Ghazali, utilitarianism is foundation of objective of education. Al-Ghazali recommended physical education to be included in the curriculum. Essentialists stress upon mental discipline. Theory X assumed that employees are lazy, hate work, avoid responsibility. What is the assumption of Theory X of McGregor and employees? Negative. The inner drive that directs a person's behavior towards goals attainment is known as motivation. Inner drive जो होती है वो motivation होती है. The traditional theory of motivation is the theory of fear and punishment. The concept of universe is concerned with cosmology. Information superhighway means books, TV, and internet. Change in behavior through experience is called learning. ये नई डेफिनेशन है. चेंज इन बिहेवियर जो है ये एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू ये लर्निंग कहलाता है. अकॉर्डिंग रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, लर्निंग टू डू बाय डूइंग. The basic source of educational objectives is human experience. Epistemology in philosophy deals with knowledge. ऑन्टोलॉजी जो है वो रियलिटी के साथ होती है, और एक्सियोलॉजी है जो है वो वैल्यूज के साथ होती है, कंसर्न ये डील करती है। एलिमिनेटिंग एनी reinforcement that is maintaining an unwanted behavior is called extinction. Split half method is used to measure internal consistency of a test. Richardson's method measures internal consistency of a test. Basically ये reliability को check करता है, जो reliability है ये किसी भी टेस्ट के जो internal consistency और stability को check करती है। नेक्स्ट है जी, हाँ जी, द डिग्री टू विच अ टेस्ट measures what it is supposed to measure is called validity. Jean Paul Sartre, Heidegger, Kierkegaard are associated with existentialism. The doctrine of discipline and theory of reward and punishment fam- is very uh, ये मैच नहीं इज वेरी फेमस नेम द मुस्लिम, हाँ जी, ये जो थ्योरी है ये किस नाम के साथ अटैच्ड है, ये अल गजाली के साथ अटैच्ड है। एज द स्कूल हेड you guide your school teachers in appropriate direction and you are displaying the behavior theory. Why? क्योंकि इसमें स्ट्रिक्ट सुपरविजन नहीं होती है थ्योरी वाई में, तो इसलिए अगर कोई हेड जो है अपनी टीचर्स के साथ एक प्रॉपर वे में कम्युनिकेट करती है, एक बेटर वे में कम्युनिकेट करती है स्कूल टीचर्स के साथ और उन्हें गाइड करती है, तो ये थ्योरी वाई को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ये बातें। कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट्स विद आइडिया ओरिजिनेशन। Examine the effectiveness of a computer-based algebra program developed around the mastery learning approach is the title of research. Functional research, जिसे applied research भी कहा जाएगा, a test designed to measure the extent to which a person has acquired certain knowledge and skills that have been taught in school or as a part of some other planned instruction or training. Achievement test. If a test validity is evaluated against other established tests, then it is called concurrent validity. When a test samples sufficient widely into the subject to ascertain representativeness of scores with the total performance in the area measured is called adequacy. Pupil learning process during instruction is assessed by formative assessment, and behavior and objective has two components. Bloom classified educational objectives into three domains कॉग्निटिव है, साइकोमोटर है, और थर्ड जो है अफेक्टिव डोमेन है। Which is component of attitude represent a person's opinion, knowledge and information. Cognitive component, theory X and theory Y were presented by Douglas McGregor. The school should be run on democratic lines held by progressivism. प्रोग्रेसिविज्म के जो लोग थे वो कहते थे कि बच्चे को जो है वो एक डेमोक्रेटिक लाइंस पे स्कूल को रन करना चाहिए, बच्चे को फ्रीडम दी जानी चाहिए। द नॉलेज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू वैल्यू इज एक्सियोलॉजी। पहले भी ये बात हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। एपिस्टेमोलॉजी नॉलेज से डील करती है, एक्सियोलॉजी वैल्यूज के साथ और ओंटोलॉजी रियलिटी के साथ। दिस स्टाइल यूजेस मैक्सिमम टीचर्स talk time and gives little room for student participation. Formal authority demonstration and teachers acts as a guide to assist the students in applying the knowledge into a similar situation. Demonstrator, which of the following data refers to information gathered by someone others than the researcher conducting the present study. Secondary data. Name the book which was written by Al-Ghazali. Nishatul Mulk. A Muslim philosopher, Abu Hamid bin Muhammad, born in 1058 AD, is commonly known as Al-Ghazali. Ahya al-Ulum is the work of which famous Muslim philosopher Al-Ghazali, a prominent French philosopher, scientist, and mathematician, was profoundly influenced by Al-Ghazali's mysticism. Blaise Pascal. इक्तिसाद Fil Itiqad was written by which scholar? Al-Ghazali. In this technique, teacher will demand students attention before you begin and wait until everyone has settled down. Focusing. Teacher tells the students clearly what they are going to do in that period. Direct instructions. The teacher moves around the room while the students are working. Monitoring. McDaniel says values are caught, not taught. Modeling. It can be facial expression, body language, and signals. Non-verbal. During which of the following interviews an interviewer asks probing and open-ended questions. Unstructured interview. Teacher may test are meant to administer at class level. The scientific process of classifying things or arranging them in groups is called taxonomy. The principle refers to the need for a program to be resilient in its application is the principle of flexibility. The taxonomy of educational objectives by Dr. Bloom is hierarchical. Domain means a field of knowledge. According to Bloom's taxonomy, application level question requires student to use a rule, a classification system, direction of the like solving problem. Direction or the like solving problems. Micro teaching focuses on the competency over skills. What is the number of students in micro teaching? 5 to 10. What does E and D rules means? Efficiency and discipline rules. ADP is an abbreviation of Annual Development Program. Education in Pakistan is the responsibility of which government under devolution of power district? The power is concentrated in the hands of one or few people is centralization. Move from general statement to specific instances and application refers to deduction. ये डिडक्शन और इंडक्शन दो मेथड्स हैं. डिडक्शन में हम जनरल टू स्पेसिफिक मूव करते हैं और इंडक्शन में हम स्पेसिफिक टू जनरल मूव करते हैं. Perennialism is an educational philosophy of old values. Education as a reorganization of experience is expounded by John Dewey. Discussion and group work is focused in pragmatism. PowerPoint, Corel presentation, and Howard graphics are examples of presentation software. A pie graph is used to illustrate how parts of something relate to the whole. Cognitive processes and emotions, beliefs about cause and success and failure, intrinsic. Know the student's attribution for success or failure and provide feedback. Cognitive theory, the term used to describe the way a learning experience is conducted. Teaching style, which type of research occurs when the researcher manipulates the independent variable. Experimental research, to explain, predict, and to control phenomena are the goals of the scientific method. Ibn Khaldun Muqaddimah is a famous book completed and published in 1377. A large, highly visible pad of paper that reveal point by point the major issues of the presentation is called a flip chart. Which of the following suggests impatience? Smiling. One of the following is an advantage of non-verbal communication, inaccessible to non-natives. A graph that uses vertical bars to represent data is called bar graph. To which group independent variable is applied? Experimental group. Inspection officers of education department pen down the particular merits and view in logbook. The application of scientific method to the study of educational problems is called educational research. Micro teaching was explored through the experimental research. The research concerned with current phenomena of study is called descriptive research. Qutbuddin is the name of Shah Waliullah. Which one of the following is known as Hujjatul Baligha? Shah Waliullah. Hujjatul Baligha and Izalatul Khifa are the famous works of Shah Waliullah. Which of these was the opinion that intellectual revolution should precede political change? Al-Marwadi. Abu al-Hasan भी इनका नाम था. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in Delhi, October 18, 1817. Who started Aligarh movement? Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. The group that receives the experimental treatment condition is the experimental group. Any visible device that a speaker employs to supplement and clarify the message for an audience is called a visual aid. Material distribution to the audience is called a handout. One of the following is the duty of a recipient of a message encoding. Age is a nominal variable. Which one of the following scales is used when the researcher classifies the participants as good, average or poor reader? नॉमिनल वेरिएबल, क्योंकि इसमें कैटेगराइज किया जाता है, इसको कैटेगोरियल स्केल भी कहा जाता है. Which scale is the simplest form of measurement? Nominal variable. It is in discussion that the researchers fully interpret and evaluate the research results. Another name of working memory is short-term memory. The best method for the teaching of science is the demonstration method. Logical thinking, according to Jean Piaget, starts at the stage of concrete operation. Experiments on learning by insight were presented by Kohler. Translation, concrete experiences, development of logical thinking and are given by Piaget. A test designed to know the student's position in a group is called norm reference test, NRT. The ability to solve problem, to adjust in the new environment, to think abstractly, and actual or potential ability to learn is intelligence. Who was the founder of behaviorism? J.B. Watson. Who presented the multiple intelligence theory? Howard Gardner. Which of the following is the formula of range H minus L? Means higher value minus lower value, highest value minus lowest value. Which one of the following is the most powerful and expensive computer? Supercomputer. Which curriculum is emphasized for primary classes? Integrated curriculum. The most important component of lesson plan is objectives. Test items requiring students to work or select correct or best answers are called objective type questions. Informal education refers to the learning generated from the social experiences and the observation of an individual. Intended outcomes of any program or activity are called objectives. A broad or general statement reflecting the ultimate ends towards which the total educational program is directed is called goal. General objectives reflects the purpose of a particular unit or level of the school program, such as elementary, middle level, or high level or high school. The stage where the students have understanding to organize and arrange material mentally is called comprehension. Spiritualist stresses the self-realization aspect of education. A moralist thinks that education is a process which leads to the formation of character. Education is a process which enables an individual to adjust himself to the environment. The main characteristic of an objective test is reliability of scores, adequate content sampling, and measure lower level of cognitive abilities. Large number of questions are included in objective test. To select subject matter, one should consider students' IQ. The lesson planning approach was presented by John Frederick Herbert. Development of curriculum at higher level and its application at different levels is centralized. What is the purpose of integrated curriculum? Decrease in number of books. When encoding the message, which of the following may be overlooked? Table. The most frequently occurring number in a set of values is called the mod. The median is known as the middle point. Short-term memory STM lasts between 15 seconds to 30 seconds. To teach Urdu language and literature is an example of core curriculum. Learning means permanent change in behavior. Concrete operations occurs at the age of 7 to 12 years. WISC and WPPSI tests are the intelligence test for primary school students and high school students. Computers are becoming very important because of extensive memory and reliability. The most common way of presenting computer-generated graphics is by means of transparencies. A good time to use a visual aid is when a point cannot be easily expressed verbally. In which type of test focuses on information acquired through the informal learning that goes on in life. Attitude. Which of the following is included in research proposal? Literature review. Which of the following components are attitude represents a person's opinion, knowledge and information? Cognitive component. The worth of the student person attached to a particular object or phenomenon is valuing definition, scope, and importance. Digital computer consumes electric power as compared to analog computer less. The most effective source of knowledge is book. The concept of educating child on the basis of his interest and inclination is called psychobase. Computers that are used to measure quantities which changes continuously such as heat, speed and temperature are analog computer. Results of analog computers are reliable. Less. Which type of graph would you use to depict difference in sets of figures during the same or a brief time span? Bar graphs, charts, maps, and drawing that are copied on sheets or acetate are called transparencies. Visual aids should be used to add new information. A visual aid with the main points from a speech outline, a briefing chart, a small recreation of an electric vehicle, which would be an example of a model. The number of peripheral attached to a computer is greater than all of the other computers. Supercomputers, mainframe and mini computers can process data at the speed of several TIPs. TIPs क्या है? Transaction Internet Protocol. Computer which are made of integrated circuits. Digital question that consists of two or more questions joined together is called a double-barreled question. Open-ended questions provide primarily qualitative data. A question during an interview such as why do you feel that way is known as prob. A Likert scale is known as a categorical scale. SPSS is the abbreviation of statistical package for social sciences. The speed of analog computer is than digital computer. Slow. Analog computer are to operate difficult. Analog computers हैं वो difficult to operate होते हैं. Curriculum play a vital role in attaining the aims and objectives of education. Curriculum in its broadest sense includes the complete course, complete school environment involving all the course activities regarding an association, reading and association furnished to the pupils in school. Syllabus is a list of topics of subject that is prepared for public examination, fulfillment of nation's objectives and national educational programs. जी उसके बाद है it is appropriate for a speaker to employ a visual aid when it makes the speech more interesting. Listing main ideas on a poster is an illustration of which type of visual aid. Word or text chart, line, bar, and pie charts are the tables are all considered to be graphs. A quick, efficient way of gathering information from a large number of employees is experiment. The most popular form of interview is the unstructured interview. According to which of the following interview type, one candidate is interviewed by several representatives of the firm? Panel interview. According to Plato, how goodness is apprehended by reason? When do the forms exist according to Plato in our mind as ideas? How the forms are apprehended according to Plato by reason? Plato was born in 427 BC and died at the age of 80. Plato was an idealist. High technical qualities is assured in standardized test. Direction of administering and scoring are so precisely stated in standardized test. Norms are based on national samples of students in the grades in standardized tests. Standardized tests are inflexible in nature. National Education Assessment System (NEAS) has been established under Ministry of Education Sector Reform Action Plan. PISA test assesses students' skills of knowledge, comprehension, application. PEC stands for Punjab Examination Commission. Punjab Examination Commission is an autonomous body responsible for conducting examination for grade 5 and grade 8. Models can be used when the original article is large and unmanageable or simply not available. Control group is a characteristic of experimental research. Data is collected through questionnaire, interview, or observation in descriptive research. Scale model, physical objects, drawings, and peoples are all considered to be visual aids. The sampling in which group rather than individuals are selected is cluster sampling. The sampling in which individuals are selected from a list at specific interval is systematic sampling. The minimum sampling size is in descriptive research is 20% of the population. The communication expresses information without word through gesture and behavior. Non-verbal. The communication expresses information through the use of language. Verbal. The kind of a verbal communication is 2. The communication expresses ideas through the spoken words or oral communication. The communication expresses ideas through the words that are meant to be read in is written communication. The communication through computer modems, decimal machine videos, etc. is called electronic communication. Communication helps to achieve objectives. The process to motivate the others to achieve certain goals is leading. A program of activities which is designed to attain educational ends is curriculum. Who is the father of scientific management theory? Frederick Tyler. Pre-testing the instrument to detect weakness is pilot testing. The arithmetic average of the scores is called mean. What is the midpoint of the scores called mean? Median. The score that is attained by more subjects than any other score is mod. Leadership is the capacity of affect the decision, attitude, and behavior of others. The kind of communication are 2. Pension is given if the retirement is after service of 25 years. Person who motivates the other possesses the quality of leader. The fiscal planning, accounting, income and expenditure is budgeting. According to Ibn Khaldun, there are two main streams of knowledge. Ibn Khaldun believes in the superiority of the religious sciences over the rational sciences. Who said education should strive for the accomplishment of the major objects of human life? Ibn Khaldun. Which type of evaluation is done at the end of the program? Summative. Superannuation retirement age in Pakistan is 60 years. Life is continuous changing process is the base of education philosophy progressivism. Reforms are necessary in all walks of life is focused in reconstructionism. Philosophy of education which makes man responsible for his actions and experiences is called existentialism. Study of great books is at the core of perennialism. A bit of real life that is incorporated in schools is called activity is called activity. Hutin gave the concept of liberal education. The great method of teaching by naturalist is play way. Education discipline in Pakistan reflects professional education. Who says permanency is more real than change? Perennialism. Visual aids need to be appropriate for the situation, large enough to be seen in the back of the room and rehearsed to be used effectively. Which type of evaluation determines the students' prerequisite skills to begin instructions? Placement. Bar graph graphically illustrates the value of different commodities with a sequence of columns corresponding in height or length to each item being measured. Why proportional sampling technique is used in the selection of individuals for a study to achieve greater representation in the sample. The context of speech is in the learning, social and cultural. By means of the educative process, aims of the establishment of Pakistan can be imparted. In all the education policies of Pakistan, the foundation of the objectives of education is Islamic ideology. Which of the following was the motive of Pakistan movement? Islamic ideology. Know the students' needs inside and outside classroom and have positive expectations. Humanistic theory. Know the students' attribution for success or failure and provide feedback. Cognitive theory. In the classical conditioning, the salivation of the animal was the unconditioned response. The publication that contained description of education research by an author who was not a direct observer or participant is a secondary source. The effect of independent variable or dependent variable is studied in experimental research. Criticism is an important step in historical research. Randomly formed groups are the characteristic of experimental research. Case and effect relationship is established in experimental research. The minimum size of sample in experimental research is 15 per group. Aristotle belongs to Greece. The realism was presented by Aristotle. How many modes of education? Three. Sampling in which all individuals have equal chance of selection. Equal chance of selection is called random sampling. Representation of same proportion of individuals in a sample as the existing population is stratified sampling. Ibn Khaldun said the revealed knowledge is the real knowledge. It is concept of epistemology. क्योंकि नॉलेज की बात आई है और नॉलेज जो है वो एपिस्टेमोलॉजी जो है वो उसे एपिस्टेमोलॉजी नॉलेज से डील करती है. Who holds that the injustice, despotism, and tyranny are the clear signs of the downfall of a nation? Ibn Khaldun, who said acquisition of knowledge is not only human nature but also male females fundamental right. Ibn Khaldun, the cash book is maintained by DDO PISA test, yani PISA test assesses general competence in the subjects reading, math, science, literacy. The word moral is derived from the Latin word mors. Morse means manner. The theory of psychosocial development was presented by Erikson. Which of the following deals with the philosophical problems and values? Axiology. जहाँ values की बात आई वो axiology होगा. Ethics can be defined as the study of ideal conduct. The idealism was presented by Plato. A sum of questions is test. Hierarchy of needs was presented by Maslow. A research plan should be in past test in future test. जो research report होती है वो past test में past tense में होती है और जो research plan होता है वो future tense में होता है. तो future correct answer होगा. Which type of research is intended to be carried out by any professional in any type of school to investigate a problem? The findings are limited in their general liability. Practitioner research. Basic and applied research are the classification of research on the basis of purpose of the research. Which of the following is the idea which narrates that knowledge comes from experience? Empiricism. Qualitative data means expressed in words. A combination of qualitative and qualitative approaches is known as mixed method research. Discussion of results and findings is found only in research reports. In the data analysis section, the research discusses results and findings. The mental wrapping of communication message is encoding. According to Sophist, the aim of education was to prepare the children to take part in the politics in adult life. The lowest level of measurement is represented in nominal scale. The highest, most precise level of measurement is ratio scale. The arithmetic average of the scores is mean. The score attained by more subjects than any other score is mod. According to Socrates, education is a process of acquainting mankind with the universal truths. Who declared that education is experience? John Dewey. Plato supports idealism. Alfred Binet worked on intelligence test. Physical growth is affected by biological factors and environmental factors. Education psychology is the applied branch of psychology. The discipline of psychology started in 18th century. The degree of which equally competent scores obtain the same result in a test is called objectivity. What is the hypothesis? Prediction of a relationship between certain variables. Chalkboard, porcelain board, porcelain boards, felt boards, and magnetic boards are examples of demonstration boards. The social media is Facebook. Management may be classified in 3 levels. The lowest level of management includes supervisor. Top level management requires conceptual skills. How many functions in management is presented in the word postcog? 7. 7 कौन से हैं? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting. Motivation driven by an interest or enjoyment is the task itself. Intrinsic motivation, the existentialist teacher is most likely to view teaching as a performance that evokes students' insight or learning. The branch of philosophy that deals with the nature, origin, and scope of knowledge is epistemology. Exology deals with the philosophical problems and values. There are two theories of leadership, trait and behavioral theories. Theory which of the following is considered a teacher-centered philosophy? एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म यहाँ पे इन्होंने लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन टीचर सेंटर्ड फिलोसफी जो है वो आइडियलिज्म की होती है. इसके अलावा जो एसेंशियलिस्ट लोग हैं वो भी टीचर सेंटर्ड ये भी फिलोसफी है, फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन है. Intelligence test measured academic potential. Who was the first to measure human intelligence? Binet. Mental age of a child is a measure of level of mental maturity. The determination of meaning of different words used in different languages is called semantics. Which of the branch of the philosophy that studies issues art, concerning art and beauty? Aesthetics. According to Mintzberg, one, if the management's interpersonal role is of a leader, in which theory leadership is multidimensional. Situational theory. Which of the following branches of philosophy does not involve questions related to values? Metaphysics. Who says human nature remains the same everywhere, hence the education should be same for everyone? Perennialism. Who believes experimental knowledge is real? Progressivism. Gestalt means shape. Kimya Sadat was written by Ghazali. The research concerned with development of theories is called basic research. The research concerned with the use of testing of theories is applied research. The research involved in explaining events of the past, historical research. Data arranged in groups or classes is called group data. The number obtained by dividing the sum of the scores by their number is called mean. The number dividing data into two equal parts in such a way that half of the total scores are less than that number, whereas other half scores are more than that number, is called median. Reality does not exist in this world is said by Plato. Who is the father of religious existentialism? Soren Kierkegaard. Plato was a famous book. Plato wrote the famous book, The Republic. The concept of free education was given by Karl Marx. Summative evaluation takes place at the end. Which education policy suggested to give equal weight to general science and technical education? 1972. In planning and implementing curricula, school makes its selection from culture. The research involves in explaining event of the past. Historical research. The research concerned with current status of the subject of study is descriptive research. Relationship of a score with 100 is called percentage. Raw scores of tests are data. Philosophy and curriculum are concerned with the question of what is the purpose of life. Philosophical foundation of curriculum is concerned with ideas. In guidance, the role of teacher is a helper. The major responsibility of a counselor is help students solve their problems. When do we learn better according to Thorndike's law of exercise? When we practice it. How would you define psychology? Study of behavior. ये नई डेफिनेशन है स्टडी ऑफ बिहेवियर. जो ओल्ड इसको डिफाइन किया जाता था तो इसको स्टडी ऑफ सोल कहा जाता था. इन विच कंट्री जेन पियाजे वॉज बॉर्न? स्विट्जरलैंड. Which pension is granted to civil servant who retires in the age of 60? In the age of 60, superannuation. All financial transaction of the school occurring from day to day is entered in cash book. Microplanning is done in middle and lower management. The ACR, PER cannot be intimated for the period of less than 3 months. A choice made between two or more alternatives is called decision. Metaphysics can be defined as theories of beyond the physics. John Dewey was great revolutionist in the education system due to his philosophy of pragmatism. How many basic components of curriculum have? 4. Renaissance of Science was written by Ghazali. Aesthetics has to do with beauty. Scientific management is concerned to F.W. Tyler. Bureaucratic management is linked to Max Weber, who worked on basic needs of human being. Abraham Maslow. The average person dislikes work and will try to avoid it. Theory X. Many people have a capacity to exercise a high degree of creativity and innovational solving organizational problems. Theory Y. A leader is someone who advances organizational goals by influencing the attitude and action of others. What type of graph is suitable for showing a general distribution of data? Pie chart. Bar graph depicts difference in sets of figures during the same or brief time span. The type of research by method experimental research. Effectiveness of curriculum is determined by evaluation. The model of behavioral objectives of a curriculum evaluation was presented by Tyler in 1949. Ibn Khaldun is famous for his Muqaddimah-e-Tarikh, who is aptly called the father of political economy. Ibn Khaldun, who is aptly called the father of political economy. Ibn Khaldun, war is a necessary evil, and no nation and no race is free from it. Who says this? Ibn Khaldun. Which of the following is not the work of Ibn Khaldun? Siyasatnama. Ibn Khaldun and Machiavelli both stresses the importance of religion for the state, uh, connection between religion and power. The representative group selected by specific procedures from population is sample. The specific procedures used to select a representative group from population is sampling. Logical and scientific thinking include value system. The function of education is to lead the child near reality. Is the educational philosophy of realist. Friendship is a love and belonging need. Authentic knowledge is gained through empirical experience. For the learning of students, teacher put progressivity teacher put more emphasis on practical education. तो ये था जी हमारा आज का मटेरियल जो कि इस बुक से रिलेटेड था। आज के लिए इतना ही। और इस मटेरियल से रिलेटेड अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन जो कि आपको समझ ना आए हों, आप वो कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं और हम ज़रूर कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके उन सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए हम जो है वो वीडियोस तैयार करें और आपके सवालों के जवाब दे सकें। अगर कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।